Today we're looking at two ducted split heat pumps in a head-to-head battle. The Airease A7HP14F versus the Aireforce FSH4BE. Both of these units fall squarely into the basic performance tier, meaning they are single-stage systems designed for reliable, straightforward heating and cooling. Now, let's talk about the build quality, because in the field, protection is everything. Both the Airease A7HP14F and the Aireforce FSH4BE come equipped with louvered coil protection. That is exactly what I like to see. Those louvered steel panels act like armor for your system, protecting those sensitive aluminum fins from hail, stray baseballs, and weed whacker accidents that would flatten a standard wire mesh coil. Moving into efficiency and technology, both units are neck and neck with a heating seasonal performance factor, HSPH, of 7.5. Since these are single-stage units, they operate at 100% capacity whenever they're on. However, there is a major difference when it comes to operational comfort. The Airease A7HP14F comes factory installed with a compressor blanket. This specialized wrap significantly muffles the heartbeat of the unit, making it much quieter while you're trying to enjoy your patio. The Aireforce FSH4BE, unfortunately, does not include this blanket, which means you're going to hear that compressor working a lot more clearly. Before we get to the warranty, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a unit's coils damaged by a storm or an accidental bump? Or maybe you've had a unit so loud it woke the neighbors. Let me know your installation horror stories in the comments below. Finally, let's look at the warranty battle. Both brands offer a solid 10-year general parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. But here's the knockout punch. The Aireforce FSH4BE comes with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. This is the ultimate no-hassle guarantee. If that compressor fails within the first decade, they don't just swap the part. They replace the entire outdoor unit. The Airease, while a great build, offers 0 years for unit replacement. So, what's the verdict? If sound is your biggest concern, the Airease A7HP14F is the quieter machine out of the box. But, as the HVAC repair guy, I have to pick the winner based on long-term protection. Because the Aireforce FSH4BE matches the Airease in build protection and efficiency, but adds that massive 10-year unit replacement safety net, Aireforce takes the win in this basic tier battle. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.